Okay, all right, let's not wait further lah. We continue. For the start, I
Hello?
go slower.
Can you hear me?
So we have a fair bit of things to cover today. So I hope I can hear them, the rest of them coming in. Okay. Let's start. Okay, today we are doing fractions, all right. Welcome to P4 worksheet 10, all right. We are going to cover fractions basically with order of operations also. Okay, all right. First thing first, what is our learning objective? Let's take a look here. Adding, subtracting, related fraction. Okay, and we must also understand that mixed numbers, improper fractions, we can convert them. Okay, conversion is easier, it's not difficult. Okay, so basically we have conversion, a lot of conversion. These two. Okay, later I'll teach you one way, very easy way to learn this. Okay, all right. Augustine, I see that you have been like leaving and joining the meeting. Is it due to connection? I wonder. Augustine, are you with me? Can you hear me now? Augustine? Okay. All right. Okay, let's start with this question now. All right. You see? Find the following values. You cannot use calculator, so must do it mentally. All right. First thing first, when you do a fraction, we must understand that fraction comes in numerator and denominator. For the addition, for the subtraction of a fraction, we must always check the denominator. Why? Only denominator who are common, then we can add them. Okay, so all these, we call them common denominator. Okay. Okay, so we call this denominator. So with the common denominator, we can actually add them. All right. Okay. Let me welcome Das. Is that Das? Das, can you turn on your camera so I can see you? Das, what is your full name? May I have your full name here? Later, I will ask you to type in the full name, because I need to mark your attendance according to the name given by the school. Okay? Okay. Hi. So, hey, who is the hi here? Who is the one who annotate? Thank you. Okay, let me respond. Hey, welcome. This is W. Okay, welcome to worksheet 10. Today is 18 March. All right, we have new students who is with me today, who are with me today. All right, let me welcome you again. There are a few more to come in, so on and off, I will let the rest to enter. Okay, let's continue from this question here. All right, so we have a common denominator and then we can add the numerator of 5, 6, and 1. So 5 and 6 give you 11. 11 plus 1 will give you 12. So now you can start to add this. Okay, so 12 here. So you have your numerator as 12, denominator as 15. However, please, whenever you do all these fractions, please check. Why I say check? Because you have to answer this. Always leave your answer to your what? Lowest or the simplest form. So what is the common term that you can, the factor of 12 and 15? Who can tell me 12 and 15 divide by what? Is it divided by 2? Give me your answer here. Response. What do you divide? Everyone in the meeting, give me your chat. If you want to on your audio, but unfortunately, I can't. All right. Hi, Lavinia. Hi, Lavinia is here. Yeah, you changed your name to Lavinia. Yeah, finally I see. Lavinia. Hi, Lavinia. Can you help me? Do me a favor. I want to hear you. So can you help me to unmute yourself or something? Are you saying hello?
Hi.
Say no, I mean I want you to speak so I can hear you.
Hello.
Can you say something? Are you saying something? But I can't hear you. Something is very wrong.
I need this one. Okay, now you can talk.
Okay, funny I don't seem to hear every one of you. Why Lavinia. Oh, thank you. Somebody said divide by 3. Finally, yes. So when you divide by 3, that give you what? 4. 15 divided by 3, that give you 5. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Learn that one.
I have another one coming in. By this name is Chai Tian Ya. Okay. Chai Tian Ya, where are you? Chai
Hi,
Tian
yeah, I'm
Ya.
here.
I'm looking for Chai Tian Ya.
I'm here.
How do I call your name?
Chaitanya.
Okay, can I know how do I call your name?
Chaitanya.
CHAI.
What? I cannot hear you.
Chaitanya.
This thing is okay, Okay, all right. Is this your real name?
Yeah.
Okay, let me mark your attendance.
No, I'll be connecting in my iPad.
Okay, I want everybody to type your name here. Okay. All right, I see Avrani. Your name, because your registered name. But if not, then I'll be calling your name that is appearing on the screen. Augusta Lavinia. Okay, I have Avani. Agustai. Is it Agustai? Agusti. Agas. Wow, Agas. Agos? Is it Agos? Oh, that is like
Augustia.
pronounced
It's Augustia.
as
It's Augustia.
A
Can you hear me?
guess. I guess. Is it I guess? Also no. Okay. All right. Okay, never mind. Let's go on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tia. Oh, the last word is Tia. Oh, Augustia. Okay, Augustia. Okay, can I call you in short, Tia? Yeah. Tia. Oh, AG is your short name. Okay, okay, good. Then I call you AG. Yeah, thank you, AG. Okay, AG is your short name, Ken? Okay, all right. So let's get back to work now. Okay, the next question. All right, we continue from here. For those who have just come in, I'm just telling the students that in order for you to do addition, subtraction, we always check for their what? Denominator. Where's the denominator here? Here. Are they common? If they are common, then you can start to add them. So now we have all common. So let's take a look here. I have 6 plus 1 plus 5, and that gives me 8. Same. Do they give me the same answer? 6 plus 1, 7. Hey, wait. 12. Oh, 7 plus 5. That gives me 12. Okay, good. All right. 12. You can type your response into the chat box. I welcome all the responses. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the next one. Oops. Look at here. Is there a denominator by 5? Oh dear. No, there is no 5 as a denominator here. So what I can do, I put a denominator of 1 below. Okay. So having done that, what can I do? I check. Did they have a common denominator here now? 15, 15, and 1. So how? You don't have. So you must change it to common denominator. But are they? They are not. So how? We have to do something about it. We call it the magic touch. How to do the magic touch? Here, to make it 15, I have 15, 15, 15. Okay, see my magic touch here. I have a 15, I have a 15, I have a 15. And then what is the magic thing here is you can change this by multiplying by 15, right? Let's take a look. So I have to multiply this by 15 to make it 15 here. And I have to multiply by 15 on the numerator to get to 15. All right. Okay, so I need to change the 15 times 5. What does 15 times 5 give me? Anyone can give me quick answer on the chat.
15.
Yeah, speed and accuracy. Let's go. 15 times 5. Come on. What is 15 times 5? Give me your response here. 45? Is 15 times 5 45? No, because it has to be more than what? More than 7. Try again, AG. No, don't do this. Yes, type. You need to type in. Who is the first? Wow. There's a lot of responses. 15 is, you have to multiply by 15. So 5 times 15 gives you 75. Yeah, that's great. Oh, 75. Okay, let's see. 3, then you have 6. Okay, good. Then now what? Okay, I have to change that to change it to black again. So, oh, you're trying to write something, is it? Okay, give me a minute. You can always type. Type will be faster. All right. So what do you do next? Come. Let's do it. 5, 15 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. So quickly go and do what you're working. 73 plus 75 plus 9 will give you 80 something. All right. Which one you can also type in. Type in is faster than annotate. 84. Who gave 84? Yes. Oh, that's great. All right. So 84. So what? No, 84. What can you do? You have a 84. What can you do now? What can you do now? Who can tell me? We change it to what? There are things you can do. Either you change it to a mixed number, 2, 4, 5. Some counting. Oh, no, wait. 15 divided by 84. No, it's 84 divided by 15. Yeah. Good. AG is fast. So 84 divided by 15. Now that you can do this, you reduce to the simplest form first. Simplest form. Why? Because they can divide by what? Divide by 3. 84 can divide by 3. You want to learn a new trick or not? I show you something. Okay, everybody see my magic. What is 84 here? Is made up of 2 digits, 8 and 4. Okay, 2 digits. Now, what is this? Give me a minute. I give you this magic touch. Now, it's made up of 8 and 4. What is 8 plus 4 give you? 12. 12 can divide by 3 or not? Yes. 4. So meaning to say, yes, divisible by 3. Okay. This is a quick check. This is to check for divisibility. Yeah. So when you're happy, you quickly 84 divide by 3. And then it's 2 times 3, 6, 24. You have 8, 24, 0. Oh, so you know this is 28 divided by 3 is 28. 15 can divide by 3 or not? You see, 15 is 1 and 5. And what do you get? 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, divisible. So once you divisible, that means the number can be divisible. Okay. So what is 15 divided by 3? This is just a check. This is to check check only, but that is not the answer. Okay, check TV